In a business application such as Microsoft Dynamics NAV, a lot of data is processed. And for example, as a business owner or a business manager or maybe an IT administrator, it's very important to have an overview of who has modified, inserted, deleted which data. For example, I see that a customer has been deleted from the system, and maybe that's okay, but I want to know why this customer has been deleted. So in first place, I will need to know who has deleted the customer, and that's typically the information that a changelog will show us. Let's first have a look at the setup and then how we can review these entries. So first of all, what is the changelog? Again, it's something that will track all direct modifications that a user will make to data in the database. And as you can see here, we can select to log the insertion, deletion or modification of data. Let me show you how we can do this. So here in the application, I will go to the changelog setup. There we go. And the first thing that we need to do, let me make this a little bit larger, there we go, is go to tables. And there start, if I go to the first line, start selecting each table that we want to log. So you can see here an overview of all the tables that we have in NAV. And probably in real life you do not want to log everything, because that will result in a log of thousands and millions of lines in no time. So this is something I will do quite selective. So only the information that is crucial, that is important, I would like to log. And for example, standard text, for me this is not very important, so there's no need for me to log this. However, let's say customer information is important. So in this case, I would like to log the insertion, so who is creating new customers. Now what you can do is, what you can do first of all is specify if you want to log some fields or all fields. Suppose that I would like to log everything, I can simply select here all fields. I will do the same for deletion, so I would like to log everything that is deleted. But for modification, I would like to be a little bit more selective, because for me it's not important that some fields are modified, so I don't care, while other fields are very important, like let's say posting groups. So in this case, I do not want to log everything, but only some fields. And now I can use the assist edit to specify which fields I would like to log. So for example, I would like to log if someone is modifying the number and maybe also the name. You see, so on field by field, I can specify if this is something I would like to log. I also would like to log, for example, the customer posting group and currency code and price group, because that's all very important information. But for example, a telex number, that's not crucial, that's not important for me, so I will not enable this field. And okay, it's okay for me if someone is modifying the phone number. It could always happen that the customer has changed the phone number. That's something okay, that's okay, that's not crucial, so that's fine for me. So I should not be aware of that. You see, so that's basically what we can do here by selecting field by field. So let me work with this example. So all fields have now been logged for insertion, some fields for modification, and all fields for deletion. And again, this is something that you have to do table by table for all these tables that you want to log. So now I can click on OK. And the last thing I will do is activate the changelog. And now on the next startup, or on the next restart, the system will start logging customer information. Let's go back to the slide, because there are a couple of tables that are always logged. You see, so let me show you the list. So here you can see these are the tables that are always logged. So even if you don't activate a changelog, these tables are always logged in the system. So the access control, the changelog setup itself, permissions, permission sets, and so on. And so this is the list of tables that the system will always log. So even without activating or without enabling the changelog.